Most of our followers approached my methodology and got relief letter. Divagar, Amit, Satyan, Vasant, Naveen Kumar, Paul Raj, Divagaran. These people approached my strategies and got the relief letter from the organization. Now they can able to join the new organization without any impact, without any issues in the background verification. They don't want to afraid about background verification. Their onboarding process will go perfectly without any issue. Okay. And once you receive the relieving letter, you need to share to me and I will evaluate your documents, whatever you received from your previous organization, and double confirm you to proceed in the new organization. Okay. Thank you so much for utilizing my tricks, utilizing my approach to get the relieving letter. Okay. And absconding case, usually if you submit the documents in big MNCs, even small MNCs, they will not accept your documents. Struggling with your documents or struggling with your insufficient documents in the background verification will not help you to join the new organization. Okay. And most of the people approaching me and got the wonderful result. Okay. Once again, all the best. Take care. Bye bye.